Hello everyone, you are welcome to my channel and my name is Miracle. This is my first YouTube video, and in this video I have intended to start a new series on JavaScript. So JavaScript is really popular programming language, and it is the language for the web. And if you want to start a career in as a front-end developer or a back-end developer or full stack developer, then JavaScript is essential for you to learn. JavaScript is really very easy for you guys to start with. That's why I'm here to break the concept to you. JavaScript have different way that you can learn it. You must first learn the language itself before you start learning how to make your JavaScript interact with your HTML. So because of that, I will be starting from the language itself, where we will learn how to create a variable, how to declare them, how to create decisions, how to create arrays, object classes, fetching of data. So we will be looking at a lot of things in JavaScript. Then later on, we will now be looking at the DOM, where we can make our JavaScript interact with our HTML. So we have a lot of things that we will be talking about. So this is just a JavaScript quick note for you guys. Okay. So for you to start with JavaScript, initially you can use your browser to start writing JavaScript instructions. But because we want to do it in a professional way, we will be using an IDE, that's Visual Studio Code. That's the IDE that we will be using. And by the way, the IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. So you will install Visual Studio Code and also Node.js on your computer. The link will be in the description for you guys to get it. Okay. So now let's open our browser. Okay. So this is my browser right now. If I want to run JavaScript instructions straight away, I can just right click on it and go to inspect. And inside the inspect, I'll click on console. Let me clear everything here. And right now inside this place, I can start writing my JavaScript instructions. And by the way, anything that I'm going to write here, if you don't understand it, don't worry. I will break those concepts to you in our latest videos. Are you getting it? Okay, so let's try and see if JavaScript is really embedded in browsers. So every browser out there have embedded JavaScript in it because they use it to render our web pages to us. Okay, so let's try with this basic things addition. So let's say that I want to add 6 plus 5, and you see that I'm getting 11. Let's subtract 20 minus 5, and we are getting 15. Let's multiply 7 by 8, and we are getting 35. So you see how very simple it is to start with JavaScript. Let's display something on the console by using the console. So console.log, and inside it's either double quote or single quotes, and I can say that hello, you are welcome to my channel. You are welcome to my channel. When I press on enter right now, it will display the message to me. So it's very easy for you guys to start with JavaScript. Even if you don't have the IDE that we'll be using, you can use your browser to start with it straight away. JavaScript is really very interesting. The only thing that I want you guys to do is to just subscribe to my channel, like the video so that many people can also see my content. Then just follow along and make sure that anything that I will be doing, you will also be practicing it. And there will be some exercises for you guys to try your hands on it. So now let me visit the IDE that I was talking about. So you can just type Visual Studio, you type it, and this link will give it to you. You click on it and it will take you to their website straight away. So this is their website, and their website, they have made in such a way that it will automatically identify or detect the operating system that you are using. So either you are using Windows, you are using Mac or Ubuntu or Linux, it will detect it straight away. So you can see that right now it's detect what the operating system that I'm using, Ubuntu. Are you getting it? So if you are using Windows, just click on it to download the setup file. Then after downloading it, double click on it to install it. The installation process is very simple. It's just next and you have installed it on your computer. Then you also need to install Node. You also need to install Node. So this is Node. Also go to their website and this link here, you click on it to download the setup file and you also install the Node on your computer. It's also very simple for you guys to install it on your computer. After the installation, then we will now move on to my next video where we'll be talking about how you can set up your environment to start writing your JavaScript instructions. So I will see you there, and if you have any question, just leave it in the comment section. I will come to it. Okay, goodbye. I will see you in the next video.